Hi guys, welcome to Old Handyman. I'm Brian. We're doing another video today. I'm going to do put a frame together. I got to put a painting in it. So I'm using duct tape today. So here we go. Get you adjusted here. Okay, putting this in there. And this little guy. So we're pretty close on the tolerances here. Don't have a lot of room. So I am going to use the tape. Breaking out the duct tape. In all actuality, it's the Gorilla. But I feel like it's better than regular duct tape. Do about a 1/4 inch here, so around the edge. Okay. All right. That ain't going nowhere. Thanks for my Gorilla tape. Okay, we're gonna put a wire on the back so they can hang it up. So it's 6 inches, so I do 1/3 by 2 right there. Got to keep it out from the edge so you don't see it. And again, this is pine. I usually don't pre-drill it. Okay, doesn't want to stay on there. Maybe this one isn't magnetized like my other one is. There we go. Screw in this side. Yeah, that thing isn't magnetized. I'm going to change tips. I think this one is. Yeah, now we're talking. If I could figure out how to run the drill. Here we go. Around, twist it, and then back through. Cut it off so it won't get in the way. And I bend that little edge down so nobody gets poked with it. Maybe. Come on, Betsy. Okay. This wire's overkill for this frame. It's a 5x7, it's teeny. This wire I think will hold 30 pounds, but that's what I have. And we'll go with it. Okay, I use that wormwood on this. So it's kind of got some holes and stuff in it. It's kind of cool looking. Makes it look like it's aged too. Anyway, kind of a rustic looking thing. Looks good in that with that little painting. So, okay guys. Thanks.